They say words have power. Is it really true? Let me share a very small story. I have a lovely daughter who is around 4 years right now, and this is something that happened while she was around 3 year old. So every day evening I used to take her to the shop, which was roughly around a kilometer away from my home. We used to go to buy either groceries or fruits, vegetables, things like that. Now every day while we used to go to the shop, I used to ask her, Stuti, don't run ahead. Please hold my hand. Because she used to always run ahead of me because she knew the shop where exactly it is. So used to run and she never used to hold my hand. This used to happen for a week, a month, 2 months. Now I was getting annoyed by that, or rather, I was getting angry about it. And the moment I used to step out of my home, I used to say, Stuti, you got to hold my hand. And she never used to listen. The more I used to say her, the more she used to run. Correct? So that's how it was happening. So one fine day I thought, okay, how do I make it that she's going to hold my hand till we reach to the shop, because it was not safe for her to run on the road. Correct? So this is what I asked. Stuti, can you please take me to the shop? I'll repeat again. I asked, Stuti, can you please take me to the shop? That's it. The moment I said that, she quickly grabbed my hand and she said, I will take you to the shop. From She held my hand just outside the home until the shop. She never left my hand. We bought all the things that were needed, and while coming, I told her, can you please take me to home now? She again held my hand until we reached home. She never left my hand. Correct? So after that, I never asked her to hold my hand because she used to hold my hand and take me to the shop, and she used to say, okay, let me take you to home. So that's how we started working. Correct? So that's the power of words, or the power of sentence, what we could use. So earlier, I was forcing her to hold my hand. Now she used to think that I already know the shop, why should I really hold? She's a 3 year old kid. Correct? So if a 3 year old kid can think in that way, you could imagine about the interactions what we may be having with elderly people or people of our age or somebody. Correct? So we got to make sure that our words or statement is empowering them, not forcing them. Correct? If you are empowering somebody, then certainly you can expect the best out of them. You can help somebody to grow faster. You could help somebody to do much more better. So choose the words and the sentence wisely. Correct? So that's how we empower or encourage people. Thank you. So that's what I learned from that small instance that happened.